Write a piecewise function for the graph given below. In fact, we have two lines here. It's going up all the way to 2 at 1 up to 1. Okay, and after 1 is now another line decreasing with negative slope. So all the way there is nothing, so all the way negative infinity through 1, or for x less than 1 we have one line, one straight line with positive slope, and for x bigger than 1 we have another line. Okay, so this one separates two lines. So finally our answer will be the function, or y equals two parts, one for x less than 1 on the left of 1, and one for x bigger than 1. At 1 we have points, so either x less than equal to, so let's say here, or we can say x is bigger than equal to, it doesn't matter, let me put here, but not in both. Okay, let's find the equation of this line. For this line we need y equals mx plus b. Obviously we need slope and y-intercept. For this 0 to we passes through 1, so we have y-intercept, that's b equals 1. Okay, y-intercept. Now we need to find the slope. Okay, slope is rise over run. Let's look at here, negative 1 to 0, that's the run part, 0 to 1 is rise. So this is rise and this is run. So rise is 1, run is 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1 is 1. So for this line y-intercept is 1 and slope is 1. So let's write for the line, that means for x less than equal to 1, we've said x less than equal to 1, line slope is 1 and y-intercept b is 1. Then the equation is y equals mx plus b. So 1x plus b is 1. 1x plus 1, we don't write 1, so just x plus 1. Now this x plus 1 goes here. Okay, x plus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1. Now we want to find the equation of second line, which is decreasing, slope will be negative. Okay, so for this line, do we know y-intercept? No, it does not intersect y-axis. Okay, at least we know 2 points on the graph, more than 2 by the way. Let's say this point and this point. If we consider this point 1 to 5, that will be run, and here to here this will be rise. In fact this is going down, so negative rise. This is rise over run will be the slope. So the slope is 2 to 0 is going down, negative 2 rise over run, 1 to 5, that's 4. So negative 2 over 4 is negative 1/2. So the slope of this line is negative 1/2. We don't have y-intercept, but we have a point 50. We have 50 or 3 1 or negative 1 2. So let's use this 50. Point is 50, and we use this point to determine y-intercept. Technically this point is not on this line because we said x less than or equal to 1, but to find the equation will be fine. Okay, now for the line, let me write over here, for the line x bigger than 1 on this domain, in our case this red part, y equals mx plus b. M is negative 1/2, mx plus b. We don't know b yet. Okay, just b. Now to determine b, we use the point 50. Okay, so I'll write this later. Okay, so using the point 50, we get y is 0, x is 5. So 0 equals negative 1/2 times x is 5 plus b, negative 1/2 times 5, negative 5/2 plus b. move this over, that means add 5 halves, so b equals 5 halves. Then equation will be y equals mx plus b. Y equals, slope is -1/2, x plus b is 5 halves. Now we put these two lines together, thus the final answer will be fx equals two parts. The first part is x plus 1 when x is less than or equal to 1, and the second part is 1/2 x plus 5 halves when x is bigger than 1. Final. Okay, this is the answer.